All right, today we're gonna do something uniquely different that I've always said I will never do on this channel, and I'm gonna actually put dirt in the pool to demonstrate something. I am going to put the new Aiper Scuba V3 into AI patrol mode, and I'm gonna put, as best I can, a little pile of dirt in there and see if it can visually see the dirt, recognize it, and clean up that area.
What's up, guys? Doug from Doug and Niki here. Look, I love my pool, but I hate my pool. You know what I mean? I want to be the guy floating in it with a cold drink, not the guy spending his Saturday morning wrestling a 20-foot hose or scrubbing algae off the tiles like I'm auditioning for a Cinderella remake. Well, Aiper just dropped the Scuba V3 AI Vision, and they're basically claiming this thing is the Tesla of pool cleaners, minus the weird Twitter drama. It's cordless, it actually has eyes, and today we're going to see if it's actually the set it and forget it miracle my weekend really needs. Now I know what you're thinking, Doug, it's a vacuum in a bathtub, how smart can it be? Honestly, I thought the same thing until I realized this thing has better vision than I do after a long flight. We aren't just talking about a robot that bumps into a wall, turns, and moves around. This is the 2026 Scuba V3, and it uses something called AI Patrol. It's got front-mounted camera and lots of other sensors, the same kind of stuff that they use on autonomous drones to actually see the debris from 2 meters away. So I violated one of my core rules so I could test this. I actually put artificial, real dirt in my pool just to test this out. Let me go show you how well that worked. You're watching it now. Hunt down and clean up that dirt. It was crazy how it worked. And thank goodness, because otherwise Niki would have been pissed at me. Actually, I would call this thing a bounty hunter for your pool. It actually knows how to spot like 20 different things, hunt it down, and then it moves on. It's basically a bounty hunter for your pool. So now let's talk about some of the specs, because I know you guys love the numbers. This thing is pushing 4,800 gallons an hour of suction. To put that into perspective, that's enough to move a small lake's worth of water while you're inside watching the game. It's running a dual brush system that doesn't just pass over dirt, it actually scrubs it. The navigation is where that AI vision part kicks in. It uses vision path technology to map your pool in real time. It recognizes over 20 different types of debris, so it knows the difference between a pebble, a leaf, and that dive toy your kids left in the bottom of the pool. And for the guy who hates cleaning filters, this has a multi-layer filtration system with a micro mesh wrap. It's catching stuff down to 3 microns. For reference, a human hair is about 50 to 70 microns, so it's literally filtering out stuff you can't even see. Aiper finally fixed the "where did my robot go" problem with smart waterline parking. When it's done, or the battery gets low, it just doesn't die in the middle of the deep end where you have to go fishing for it with a pole. It climbs the wall and parks itself right at the waterline for easy retrieval. And the weight, it's about 18 pounds. It's light enough that you don't need a gym membership to pull it out of the water. Plus, no messing around with waterproof plugs and rubber seals that never actually stay put. It uses a wireless charging dock. You just set it down, it pings the app and tells you it's charging, and you're good to go. Speaking of the app, you can actually set the AI Navium mode, which checks your local weather and your cleaning history to decide whether it needs to run. It's literally more organized than I am. Look, the reality is this, technology is finally catching up with the backyard. The Scuba V3 isn't just a gadget, it's about getting your time back. It covers up to 1,600 square feet. My pool's actually much larger than that, and it absolutely crushed it. It handles the floor, the wall, and it even does that annoying horizontal scrub along the waterline, which, let's be honest, nobody ever likes to do that by hand. Is it cheap? No. But neither is your time and neither is the pool guy. But did it actually work? What do you say we go talk to me right at the pool? I'll pull it out, we're gonna open it up for the first time together, and I'm gonna tell you what my week's been like using this. All right, let's go talk to Doug.
Okay, a couple things. Number one, this is the lightest piece of equipment that has such incredible features that I've ever seen. By far and away, so much lighter than most of what I've ever touched. And let me show you, these little cameras here, absolutely saw the dirt sitting in the little spot in the pool, changed directions. I think I have some video of that. Changed directions, went, hoovered it all up, and it should be in here now, but my pool is clean again before my wife gets home. Perfect. Let's actually see what's inside here. Oh, okay. Look at the dirt in this thing. Crazy. Want to see the dirt up close and personal? There it is. Oh, look at all that. That is amazing. Oh, so sad, there's a little frog. We get these little teeny frogs that seem to like to go for a swim, but there's one of them in there. Look at that pile of dirt in there. I cannot believe how well that AI worked. I mean, it literally saw that dirt, scooted over, cleaned it all up, and continued on. It cleaned the floors, it cleaned the walls, cleaned all the seating areas, scrubbed that water line. I got video of it scrubbing that water line, which was really good. It did everything it was supposed to do really well. And it weighs close to nothing as these things go. Ridiculously cool. Let me go rinse this out. We'll come back, put it together, and wrap this whole thing up. All right, so all you have to do to clean it is take it, rinse it off with the hose, see how it comes out all perfectly clean, close the door, put it back in, and you're ready to send it back out there to do more work. If you are looking for an amazing overall package, this thing is crazy cool. It is so light, it worked so well. There's not a single thing I didn't like about this thing. The app was cool, it did everything it was supposed to. Battery life was great, unbelievable low weight, which is just so nice when you're pulling it in and putting it back out. I don't even have something else that I put on my wish list. This is on the Doug score, a perfect 5 out of 5. You cannot possibly go wrong with this thing. Again, I'll remind you that it was provided to me to do this review, but if you want to get this, there's a link here on the screen. There's also one down in the description. You can't go wrong with that. Either one works the same way. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps out the channel a little bit. So I'll say thank you in advance for that. If I've added some value, please like the video, follow the channel. If you have any questions or comments about it, throw them down there. Let's hear it. Do you have a bot that you think is working as well, that weighs as little as this? Do you have another alternative in the marketplace that you've seen? Or do you have some amazing experiences with Aiper you want to share? Throw them all down there in the comments and let's have a conversation about it. I hope this was helpful. What do you say we go talk to me in the past and do that unboxing? Okay, welcome to the past. You've seen the review, you've seen this thing motor around. It obviously worked well enough that you've come here, that you wanted to see what comes in the box and my initial experience, which I'm very excited about. I did not get to go to CES this year and see these things early, so this is my first eyes on this. This is the Aiper Scuba V3, which is so cool. It's supposed to have AI vision technology. It's supposed to see hot spots of dirt in your pool, all the stuff you already know. But I do need to tell you, it was provided to me to do this review, but they give me no instructions. I love working with Aiper because they've had some things that were amazing, and they've had a very few little things, and they were completely fine with me telling the truth on all that. So what do you say? I've done that already, right? This is the past. So let's open it up, see what's inside here. I have my buddy Sunday here. She's here to make sure that I do this all properly, cover all the important things for you. If I have not done that, put in the comments. Please address Sunday because she is the editor, and tell her if I've missed things that you want to know. As always with Aiper, their branding and their packaging is so cool. It is just premium, right? So it comes with cool quick start guide right here on the top. This great turquoise color. Let's see what else we got. We've got some buoyancy adjusters here. We have the hook and the power supply, and the more exhaustive instructions beyond the quick start, which thankfully for me, I have never needed to go past the quick start. Whoa, this thing comes with a stand. I had no idea. I thought this was just a unit. All right, super cool. Let's pull it out, see what it looks like. I kind of feel like because it comes with this really nice stand, I should show you how to assemble it, and it goes like this. You just simply go like, boom, that's it, it is assembled. What do you say we get the bot? So it just goes on the stand right here like this. When you're done to charge, how cool is this thing? All right, I need to tell you how small and how light this is. It is crazy for the functionality. Speaking of that functionality, Look, here on the front, we've got a camera and I think 4 other sensors. You can see here on the side, there's a vent for its propulsion on the side to keep it located, because this moves sideways across your water line to scrub, which is ridiculously cool. It's got some cool carbon fiber accents, always some great colors involved. I should have really opened the box before, but let's see what's... Wow, is that super easy to open and take out, and pretty darn huge. How about that? For its size and weight, this is a big box. Comes with an ultrafine filter installed, but you can just take that out if you don't need the ultrafine filter. The ultrafine filter is great for when you get to that season where the water might get a little cloudy or the algae's a little out of control. That'll help with that in a massive way. You got the power button control for the 4 functions. Obviously, you've got tracks to get around, and then to scrub it, you got 2 separate brushes, front and back, which can turn in opposite directions. Well, you've probably already seen that in action. I have not yet. Here is the inlet for the debris, nice and large. You can see my hand in there. This thing looks so premium and so cool. I'm actually stunned at how light it is, which really is a game changer if all those functions work the way they should have, which I'm assuming they have because you're still here watching. This thing is ridiculously cool because for this low weight and this kind of small packaging, that is a tremendous amount of functionality. So you've spent enough time in the past. I need to go play with this, see how it actually works, see what got you to here in the past, and so I'm gonna say peace out. I will see you in the next video. I hope this was helpful.